Good morning, my junior KG kids. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine. I am Malin Potar from Market and Drama, and today I am going to teach you market and fruit play. Well kids, your ma'am has already taught you introduction of fruits. So let's do a recap of a revision on over some fruits name. Which fruit is this? Yes, this is mango. Which fruit is these? Yes, these are grapes. Which fruit is this? Yes, this is a green apple. Which fruit is this? This is a red apple. Well children, your ma'am has also taught you about peel fruits and unpeel fruits. So let's do a small revision over it. Now, what fruit is this? This is a mango. So mango is a peel fruit. Now, what fruit is this? These are grapes. So grapes are not a peel fruit. You can eat it directly. Now, what fruit is this? This is orange. So for orange, you have to peel it and then you have to eat it. So this is a peel fruit. Now, which fruit is this? This is apple. Apple is not a peeled fruit. Yes, your mama must be giving you apple with the skinned peel. But you can directly eat an apple. So apple is not a peeled fruit. It is an unpeeled fruit. Okay kids, now let's play the fruit market play. In this fruit market play, my daughter Reha Potar is going to help me with this shopping. Well kids, now to play this fruit market play, you would require some things, that is fruits, the rate card where it is written all the names of the fruits and the rate so that you can play at home.
I have come to buy some fruits. Here is my fruit list.
Okay, this is your fruit shopping list. So you have written 2 apples. Here you go with the 2 apples. You have written grapes. You have written a star fruit, mangoes, and 1 orange. Okay, ma'am, your total bill is 650 rupees. I will pack them all.
Here you go my 650 of my fruits.
Okay. 4, 5, 6, 50. Okay, I will just pack them all.
No, I don't want plastic bag. They are harmful for our health and environment. Give me a cloth bag. They are good for our environment and health.
Okay, I will pack you in the cloth bag, all the fruits. Here you go. Thank you. Okay kids, I hope you like this fruit market play and you would also play with your family and friends. So till then, take care. Bye bye.